Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your Redmi Note 15 Pro smartphone is frequently disconnecting from your Wi-Fi. First of all, try forgetting your Wi-Fi network by going to Settings, selecting your Wi-Fi menu, then going to the Wi-Fi you want to forget or the Wi-Fi you want to fix. Select Forget Network. Tap OK. And after that, try reconnecting to your Wi-Fi. Enter the password to it. Tap Connect. Wait until you are connected to this network. And if you still have some sort of issues, restart your phone and your Wi-Fi router if you have access to it. To restart your phone, hold down power button and volume up key at the same time, then swipe the circle to reboot and let your device restart. After both devices are restarted, let some time pass until your router becomes connectable again, and then check the connection quality after that. If nothing helped you, then go to More Connectivity Options, then select Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Networks and Bluetooth. Be aware that it will also affect your Bluetooth device. You're gonna have to repair your Bluetooth device again after that. Select Reset Settings, enter your password, tap OK, and after that try reconnecting to your Wi-Fi network. This should solve most issues. Select Network once again, tap Connect once you enter the password, and then check your connection stability. Also, make sure to go to About Phone section, select your Xiaomi HyperOS, and then check if you have any updates for your device. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.